If you guys create videos, ads, shorts, explainers, or even AI films, this update is going to change your workflow completely. Today, I am testing Kling 2.6 audio by Hicksfield. And trust me, this is not just AI video generation. This is AI video plus voice plus sound plus motion all generated together at one place. No separate voiceover tools, no syncing headaches, no silence breaking the immersion. Let's jump straight in and see what makes Kling 2.6 audio so powerful. So let's get started. So Hicksfield is one of the fastest growing Gen AI platforms and their focus is very clear. Make AI tools creator friendly. Now with Kling 2.6 audio, they have introduced a multi-modal engine that generate visual scenes, character motion, background ambience and impressive voice as well, all in one single generation. Earlier, AI videos looked good, but they felt empty because of silence. Kling 2.6 fixes that. So why this update matters? Let me explain this simply. Before this, there was one tool for video and another for voice and one for sound effects and one for syncing. Now with Kling 2.6 audio, there is only one prompt, one click, full scene with sound and voice as well. And this is the perfect for YouTube shorts, explainer videos, ads, concept films and VFX text and social media content. And especially if you want speed plus quality, then there you go. Alright, so let's do a real demo where I'll make you guys see that how these kinds of things actually work. So let's get started. So we are now at the screen at the perfect Hicksfield.ai and we will click on the explore option, edit option, video option, then we'll click on the Kling 2.6 audio. Then after clicking on that there is a prompt option. We will definitely type our prompt. Basically there are a lot of options right here to create your videos. We will add a prompt. For an example, a cinematic shot of a futuristic city. Tonight, soft rain, neon lights, a calm male narrator explaining the future of AI. Now watch this. I'll skip the cue part because it will take some time, 1 to 2 minutes approximately. And after that it will generate a beautiful video for you guys. So we are skipping that part. Okay, now the video is in progress. There are a lot of options right here. You can simply check it. You can also off the audio as you need. So the video is in queue right now. So kudos. Here you go. Now watch this. Kling doesn't just create visuals. Watch this.
Artificial intelligence is no longer just a tool, it has become an integral part of our daily lives. Together we are shaping a future that blends technology with humanity.
So Kling doesn't just create visuals, it generates the atmosphere, the motion, the voice tone, the timing of speech and everything stays perfectly aligned and with what's happening on screen. No lag, no mismatch, no robotic feeling. This is honestly impressive. So let's quickly break down what's new in Kling 2.6 audio. So first is native audio generation. Visuals and voices are created together, no extra editing needed. Optional silent mode. You can even audio off if you want clean visuals only. If you don't want audio and you can even mute that particular option as well. So there is better motion fidelity also, which means more stable camera movement and clearer scenes. Higher prompt accuracy, it understands motions, framing and action which much better as compared to all other video generation and audio as well. Will full 180p qualities, sharper faces, better textures and realistic ideas. So why should use this only? And if you are a creator, if you are a content creator like me, you love create content, so this particular thing is just for you. A marketer running video ads, a filmmaker or a storyteller, a motion designer or VFX artist, an educator or explainer creator. Kling 2.6 audio will save hours of work. This is built for high volume, fast content creation. So coming to the pricing point, now this is very important because Hicksfield is offering unlimited Kling 2.6 audio generation for users on the Ultimate Plus plans. And yes, Hicksfield currently has one of the lowest price in the market compared to the other AI video tools. Hicksfield So basically this makes it one of the cheapest AI platform for serious creators. So overall, Kling 2.6 audio feels like the next step for AI video generation, not just visuals, not just sound, but a complete scene in one go. If you want to try it yourself, I have added the official link in the description. Check it out, experiment with it, and tell me whether would you replace your voiceover tools with this. And if you found this video very helpful, click the like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much.